Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Walking is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your health, refresh your mind, and find a moment of peace in your busy day. In this video, we'll explore how adding just a few steps to your routine can bring incredible benefits to your body and mind. Whether you're taking your first steps or already love walking, this is your sign to get moving and feel the difference. Let's take that first step together. Discover the amazing benefits of walking. Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. Every journey towards better health begins with just one step. Often, we get caught up chasing intense fitness regimes, overlooking the simplest, most transformative activity, walking. Yes, walking, the age-old, accessible habit that can revolutionize your body, mind, and soul. Today, we're diving deep into why walking should be your new best friend. Ready to take this step? Let's go. Walking is far more than just a casual pastime. It's a powerful activity that keeps your body in peak condition, and here's how. First, walking does wonders for your heart. It strengthens this vital organ and lowers your risk of heart disease. Just a brisk 30-minute daily walk can help you maintain your cardiovascular health and even improve your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Beyond your heart, walking supercharges your metabolism. It's a calorie burner that helps manage weight without demanding high-intensity effort. Who knew staying fit could feel so approachable? And let's talk about endurance and strength. With each step, you're building stronger leg muscles and stamina. It's also a joint-friendly exercise, perfect for anyone aiming to stay active while avoiding strain or pain. Lastly, walking improves circulation. It helps pump oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, keeping your cells energized and your skin glowing. It's the physical reset your body needs every day. Think about it, no equipment, no gym memberships, just your 2 feet and the will to move. The path to better physical health truly begins with something as simple as walking. Physical health is only the beginning. Walking is also a healer for the mind. When your feet move, your worries take a back seat, and here's why. Stress melts away when you walk. Your brain releases endorphins, those natural mood boosters that make you feel relaxed and happy. Imagine taking a stroll after a tough day and feeling your tension lift with every step. Does your mind feel overworked or anxious? Walking is the perfect antidote. A quiet, peaceful walk not only calms the storm but also boosts focus and creativity. Steve Jobs famously held walking meetings because he knew the magic it brings to clear thinking and problem solving. And let's talk about your memory. Walking isn't just an exercise for your body, it's exercise for your brain too. Studies show that walking regularly enhances brain function, keeping you sharp and alert at any age. Each step is an opportunity to clear your mind and reset your emotions. Whether you're walking through a breezy park or simply pacing your living room, you're improving your mental wellness one step at a time. Walking isn't just about physical and mental health. It touches your soul, too. It might sound surprising, but each step can connect you to something much greater than yourself. Walking helps you reconnect with nature. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the sun on your skin, and listen to the birds chirping. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to lose touch with the beauty around us. Walking brings you back to the moment, grounding you in gratitude for life's simple joys. Think of walking as a moving meditation. You don't need to sit cross-legged on a yoga mat to reflect. One step at a time, you can process emotions, work through decisions, or simply enjoy the quiet rhythm of your footsteps. When you walk, you're not just moving, you're growing, introspecting, and healing. The best part? Walking can help you practice mindfulness, gently anchoring you to the present moment. When the outside world feels chaotic, a walk centers you, reminding you of the strength within. Now that we've explored the extraordinary benefits of walking, let's talk about making it work for you. The beauty of walking is its flexibility. It fits like a glove into anyone's routine. No time? Start with 10-minute strolls during breaks, and gradually increase your time as it becomes second nature. Busy at work? Take walking meetings instead of sitting in a conference room. Have errands to run? Walk to nearby places instead of driving. Not enough motivation? Pair walking with something fun. Listen to your favorite podcast, audiobook, or playlist. Have a furry friend? Bring your dog along. They'll love it as much as you do. Remember, every step counts, no matter how small. Start where you are, and trust the process. Walking isn't a one-size-fits-all activity. It's versatile and customizable for every fitness level. If you're a beginner, take it slow. Enjoy a leisurely walk around your neighborhood or your local park. Let the focus be on consistency rather than speed or distance. For those ready to push themselves, try power walking. Add intensity by increasing your pace or incorporating intervals where you alternate between walking and light jogging. Already a seasoned fitness enthusiast? Elevate your walking routine. Choose hilly terrains, add ankle weights, or walk with a heavy backpack to engage more muscles and build endurance. No matter where you start, there's always a new challenge or variation waiting for you. Life happens. It rains, it snows, or your day feels too packed to squeeze in a walk. But obstacles don't have to stop you. Can't go outside? Walk indoors on a treadmill or even in your living room. Bad weather? Visit an indoor mall or walk laps around your nearest grocery store. Short on time? Break your walking into short intervals throughout the day. With a little creativity, you can ensure walking remains part of your lifestyle. You're not alone in this journey. Many lives have been transformed by the simple act of walking. Take the story of a man who started with small daily walks around his block. In just a year, those blocks became miles, and he not only lost weight but also gained confidence, energy, and perspective. Countless testimonials speak of how walking relieved anxiety, improved heart health, and even strengthened family bonds when done together. Let these stories inspire you to write your own success story, one step at a time. Every walk is a milestone worth celebrating. Use a fitness tracker or pedometer to count your steps, and take pride in reaching your daily targets. Whether it's 5,000 steps or a full 10,000, acknowledge your effort. Set realistic goals for your journey. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. With every step, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. We've walked through the benefits, the stories, and the inspiration. Now, it's your turn. Make a commitment today to walk, whether it's around your neighborhood, on a trail, or even indoors. Start with 5 minutes, then 10, and soon it'll become second nature. No matter where you are in your fitness journey, walking is the simplest, most rewarding step you can take. Let it transform your life, uplift your mind, and nourish your soul. So, lace up your shoes and go out there. Step up your health, and embrace the journey towards becoming your best self. Thank you for walking this path with us, literally and metaphorically. Don't forget to share your walking stories or goals in the comments below. Stay inspired, stay moving, and, most importantly, stay healthy. This video is for general informational purposes only. Always consult a professional or your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have health concerns. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Happy walking! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.